Hello, Venezans. Welcome to Golden Kids Lannd Unit 7 Count and Countable Session 3数えられないものを数えようの最後のレッスンですよ。それでは頑張りましょう。Many curious uncountable things. Flashcards. Repeat after me. Water, water. Sugar, sugar. Rice, rice. Sesame, sesame. Flower, flower. Paper, paper. Bread, bread. Cake, cake. How do you count? Paper. 1, 2. Paper. 1 piece of paper. 1, 2. 1 piece of paper. 2 pieces of paper. 1, 2. 2 pieces of paper. 3 pieces of paper. 1, 2, 3 pieces of paper. 日本では紙は1枚2枚って数えられるんだけれども、英語を話す国では紙は数えられないものなんですって。で、その時に使うのがこの piece っていう言葉だよ。1 piece of paper, 2 pieces of paper, 3 pieces of paper って数えるんだよ。ピースは増えていくけれども、ペーパーはずっと同じ。S がついたりしませんよ。だから、one paper please, two papers please とか言わないんだね。増えるのはピースの方。ペーパーは変わりません。How do you count bread? さあこれも不思議だね。日本ではパンは一つ二つってお手手に取って数えることができるのに、英語を話す国ではこれは数えられないものって考えられてるんだね。覚えといて。基本的にですね、ねりねりねりってネバネバしたものをこねこねしてオーブンで焼いて作るもの。そういうものは数えられないものって考えるんだね。不思議だね。ではパンを数えてみましょう。One piece of bread. 1, 2. One piece of bread. 2 pieces of bread. 1, 2. 2 pieces of bread. 3 pieces of bread. 1, 2, 3 pieces of bread. さあ、今度はこういう形のパン。これ食パンでしょ？薄いよね。こっちは塊になってるコロコロしたパン。こっちは1枚2枚って薄いから1枚2枚って数えるパン。コロコロしたパンは one piece。 さっきも出てきた piece っていう言葉を使うよ。でも薄いものを数えるときは slice って数えるんだね。じゃあさっきの紙もスライスでいいんじゃないのっていう人もいると思うんだけど、不思議だね。これね、はい、ピースなんですよ。ね。はい、不思議だけれども、そういうふうに覚えてください。それでは、これ数えてみようね。Repeat after me. One slice of bread. 1, 2. One slice of bread.2 slices of bread. 1, 2. 2 slices of bread. 3 slices of bread. 1, 2, 3 slices of bread. さあ今度はちょっと早く読むんだけど、ここの読み方に気をつけて一緒に読んでみてください。先生ね、ここね、読むとき切らないの。ね。slice of bread って切りません。slice of この場合は slices of って読むよ。それに気をつけて聞いてみてね。One slice of bread, two slices of bread, three slices of bread. さあ、ストーリーを読んでみるよ。Miss Joy has two pieces of paper. Mr. James gave her three more pieces. How many pieces of paper does Miss Joy have now? さあ、Miss Joy が最初に How many does she have? She has one, two pieces of paper. Then Mr. James gave her how many? How many did Mr. James give her? He gave her three more pieces. One, two, three. How many pieces of paper does Miss Joy have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Miss Joy has 5 pieces of paper now. 1, 2. Miss Joy has 5 pieces of paper. Listen. Kristen eats a slice of toast every day. Listen. Kristen eats a slice of toast every morning. But this morning she was very hungry. She said to her mother, "May I have one more piece?" But Kristen's mother made 2 slices of toast. Kristen ate them all. How many slices of toast did Kristen have this morning? Now, every morning for breakfast, this is Kristen. Kristen has only one. Yes, but she feels more hungry today. Yes, so she wants some more. May I have one more piece? Now she ate one, finished. Yeah, she has one in her belly. And she asked only one more. Yes, may I have one more piece? Or you can also say, may I have one more slice? That would be more proper. Yes, let's say that. May I have one more slice? Yes, only one. So she will be eating 2 in total. But this is not the end of the story. This is Kristen's mother. She's cooking, and since she said, "May I have one more slice?" So she's cooking not only one. She cooked 2 slices. But Kristen's mother made 2 slices of toast. Yes, she cooked 2 more, not only one. Yes, 2 more. Now, what happened is Kristen ate them all. Kristen ate all of the pieces. Yes. Now, let's review. Okay. Kristen had 1 slice of bread. Yeah. She wanted one more. Yes. She wanted one more, so she said, "May I have one more slice?" Yes. But Kristen's mother cooked not only one, but she cooked 2 in total. And she said, "Here you are, my dear." And Kristen had them all. So how many slices did Kristen have for breakfast this morning? How many slices of toast did Kristen have this morning? How many? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3 slices, right? Repeat after me. Kristen ate 3 slices of toast. Kristen ate 3 slices of toast. Good job, Vincent. Let's work on the worksheet. Number 1. Trace. Repeat after me. Peas. 1, 2. Peas. Slice. 1, 2. Slice. Trace the gray letters. Pause the video. Good luck. Welcome back, Vincent. Number 2. Draw. Draw 2 pieces of green paper. Draw 2 pieces of green paper. Number 2. A piece of strawberry cake. Draw a piece of strawberry cake. Pause the video. Draw. Welcome back. You still have to draw. Number 3. 4 slices of toast. 4 slices of toast. Pause the video and draw 4 slices of toast. Welcome back. Number 3. Solve the math. Number 1. Miss Joy has 2 pieces of paper. Mr. James gave her 3 more pieces. How many pieces of paper does Miss Joy have now? She has pieces of paper. Now, trace the gray letter and work on the math. Pause the video. Good luck. Welcome back. Number 2. Kristen eats a slice of toast every morning. But this morning she was very hungry. She said to her mother, "May I have one more slice?" But Kristen's mother made 2 slices of toast. Kristen ate them all. How many slices of toast did Kristen have this morning? She had slices of toast. Trace the gray letter and fill in the blank. Pause the video. Let's work. Good job, Vincent. This is it for today's lesson. So let's greet Miss Irene. 1, 2. Thank you very much. See you later, alligator. Bye.